Nowadays, there are so many Android TV boxes that it is hard to choose which TV box to purchase. Now, what differentiates the TV boxes mainly is the seller that is selling these TV boxes. So the seller might package the TV box in an attractive package that will give very good value for the client. And this is here the package that I got for this VC Pro Max TV box. So this package, I got it from Golden Deals USA. As a full disclosure, Golden Deals USA reached out to me to test this vSeeBox Pro Max bundle, but the opinions you're gonna see in my video are only mine. No one reviewed this video before I posted it, and I wasn't compensated to make it. So in this video, I'm gonna open the bundle. I'm gonna tell you if it's a good value bundle, and also we're gonna unpack the TV box, and I'm gonna talk about its specifications, its ports, how to set it up, and I'm gonna also touch on the applications of this TV box. So let's start first by opening the bundle. By the way, this bundle price is the same as the TV box if you purchase it alone. And if you wanna get a coupon code and a discount code for this bundle, I'm gonna leave a discount code in the description below. You can use my coupon code to get a good discount on this bundle from Golden Deals USA, and you should also use the link that I'll put in the description. I will get a small percentage if you make a purchase using my coupon code at no cost to you, and this will support my channel. So this is the bundle's content. You get, of course, the vSeeBox Pro Max Android TV box. You have an 8K HDMI cable, a SanDisk Ultra 64GB micro SD card, a Samsung Bar Plus USB card that is also 64GB, some documentation. You have a Wi-Fi extender from Xiaomi, which is 300 megabits per second, and you have a mini keyboard. So to answer the question that if this bundle is a good value, yes, it is a good value. Even if this bundle is a very good value, I would have preferred to get a bigger discount on the TV box instead of getting all this stuff with this TV box, because maybe you will not need all this stuff. So now let's open the TV box and see what's inside. So this is everything you get in the TV box. You have two remote controls. This is the main remote control. This is an air mouse remote control, TV box, HDMI cable, power brick, and documentation. For the ports of the TV box, you have on the back of the TV box the DC 5-volt input, HDMI output, optical audio output, AV output, LAN input that is 1 gigabits per second, and on the side you have USB 1 that is 2.0, USB 2 that is 3.0, and a TF card input. For the specifications of this TV box, it has an ARM Cortex A53 quad-core CPU, the Mali G31 GPU, 4 GB of DDR3 RAM, 32 GB of internal storage, maximum resolution of 6K at 60 frames per second, Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity, and Wi-Fi connectivity. And the Android version of this TV box is Android 10. For the Air Mouse remote control, it has a dongle that is hidden in the batteries compartment. So you need to remove the dongle. So open the batteries compartment, and this is the dongle. You need to put the dongle in the USB 2.0 port of your TV box, and then put batteries in the remote control to use it. This is the screen you get when you first start the TV box. I'm gonna use the Air Mouse remote control so to control it. To activate the Air Mouse, you need to press on the remote control on this button here. This is the Air Mouse button, and you see it is backlit. It is really nice. So now you have a mouse on the screen. So I'm gonna here select the language that I want, which is English United States for me. Of course, select the language you want. And then here the TV box will ask you about the display that you wanna produce on this TV box. I'm gonna leave it at full HD now, and then I'm gonna show you later how to change it. So here I'm gonna select next. And you notice that the TV box is not taking the full screen of my screen here. So I'm gonna increase it by pressing on the down arrow key here. So this way you increase it. I'm gonna increase it to 100%. And then I'm gonna press on next. On the screen, you need to select your time zone. So this is correct for me here, Eastern Daytime. So I'm gonna select next. And here it will ask you what is your internet connectivity. So I am connected with Wi-Fi. So I'm gonna select Wi-Fi, and then I'm gonna connect to my Wi-Fi network here. Once you select your Wi-Fi network and you put the password, select connect. And here's the Wi-Fi connected. Now you need to press back on your remote control, and then select next. Feel free to read the disclaimer notice, and then you need to click on agree to be able to continue. And then OK, and this is everything you need to do to set up the TV box for the first time. Let me show you now some post-setup configurations or tips that you need to make so for you to make the most out of your TV box. So go to settings on the bottom, and the first thing you need to do is to set your TV box name. So here, using the mouse, select set your device name and choose from the names that are proposed to you or put a custom name. So here I'm gonna keep it on Pro Max. And now I'm gonna go out from the mouse mode, and then I'm gonna select device preferences. And under device preferences, you need to adjust the display. So let's go to display. So select HDMI output mode, and then you need to select auto. So whatever the display that you're connecting the TV box to, it will adjust automatically. So select auto. So you see the TV box blinked, and then it went to the best display. And now it should be in 4K because my output is 4K. So let's make sure. And you see that it is in 4K 60 Hz. Now press on the back button. We still need to adjust the HDR setting. So go on the bottom here and then select TV HDR mode. And here also put it in auto. So this way, if you have a TV that is capable of HDR, the TV box will switch automatically to HDR. Now press on back. Here we still need to make sure that the location is off. So I'm gonna go to location. And then it is off here. In case it is not off, select it and choose off. And this is very good for privacy reasons. So select on back here. I still want to show you here the voice commands. So I'm gonna press on the microphone button of my remote control. And you see here that it will ask you the first time when you enable voice command if you want to sign in to Google Assistant. Here, for the purpose of this video, I'm going to show it to you without signing in. So I'm going to select use assistant without sign in, and I'm going to select allow. And the first thing I'm gonna do here is that I'm gonna open the Google Play Store, so to sign in and then show you the applications. Open Google Play Store. And here's the Play Store. I'm gonna sign in and come back. So here I am logged into my Google Play Store, and here, as with any Android TV box or with any Android tablet, you can install the applications you want that you find in your Google Play Store. And of course, you need to sign in with your credentials, so for you to be able to watch the streaming services that you're subscribed to. Also, take a moment to discover this TV box. It has some very interesting applications. So here I'm gonna install Spotify just to show you how the voice commands will work and how you can install it using Google Play Store. Spotify. So let's install it and let's open it. So here's Spotify working. Now I'm gonna launch YouTube, so for you to see the quality of display of this TV box. YouTube. And this is one of my 4K videos. Let's launch it. 3-inch, that is also 4K. And I recently purchased a Philips 75-inch 4K. So you saw how the picture was really good, and also it wasn't stuttering, and the resolution was good. Let me tell you now what I like and what I don't like in this vSeeBox Pro Max TVBox. I like the fact that it is really well built. You feel it like it is solid, and also I like the fact that it has good content, and also that they will provide you with an Air mouse remote control that is 2.4 GHz wireless, so you don't have to pair it. You just have to put the dongle in the TV box and the Air mouse will be functional. Now, what I don't like about it is that it's a little bit expensive. You can offset the price by using the coupon code in the description below. Also, what I don't like about it is that the Air mouse is a little bit laggy, and sometimes you have to press the button twice for it to work. And the last thing that I don't like about it is that while I'm using it with heavy applications, I felt that it was a little bit slow. And this is mainly the fault of the old CPU, that is the Cortex A53. If you liked my video, please share it, subscribe to my channel, and give this video a thumbs up. I want to thank you all for watching. I'm Eloy from Stuff Around the House. See you in the next video.